We bought a couple other extra things. I shouldn't go in the AutoZone with my brother because I came out with stuff I don't need. Something else I bought for the truck. It wasn't that much. Today on Minton Trucker's Garage, where we do stuff backwards, got a few things. I got to put some ball joints on my 05 Chevy Trailblazer. Bought it a couple days ago. Ball joints are bad, so we're going to change those out. I'll show you what we need to do that. I've already got them out. But an update on the S10. A friend of my wife's uncle was scrapping a car, and I asked him what he was doing with a certain part. He said, "It's all going to the scrapyard, take whatever you need." So I got 2 electric fans for the S10. So I'm still only at a rough estimate. I forgot how much it was. One of my last videos has the actual estimate because I haven't done anything to it, bought anything for it since then. This was free, so I did probably about 1150 is what I think I got into it, just with everything, from purchasing the truck from brother, the paint for the frame, and the rear end. So I got these for free, so that's one step closer to getting everything for it. So with that being said, let's get back to these ball joints. Shit. I gotta go get them. Memory. I'll be back. So anyways, now I need something cut it up with. Yeah. I'm always forgetting stuff. Always. Just always. Anyways, I gotta get my knife. Brand new knife. Kids, don't play with this at home. Under adult supervision. If your parents allow you. Even if they let you watch this. So anyways, so I got this this kit. I haven't opened it since it came in. I ordered it from Rock Auto. I do believe it was the upper ball joints, the lower ball joints, the sway bar links, and the tie rod ends. So let's open her up and see what we got. So yep, there's our tie rod. It don't say for left or right, but I believe they go for both. Another tie rod. It really don't say on the package what it is. So it's more like, here, figure out where it goes to. I believe that's part of the sway bar links. Yeah, I'll say those are the sway bar links. I believe that's what that is. We'll say these are the stabilizer links, or whatever. I guess upper ball joint. Lower ball joint. The other lower ball joint. And the other upper ball joint. So let's get these put in, or let's go over here and I'll bring all this around and I did it off camera, and we'll move over that way. Be back. All right, we're back. So we're on the passenger side. So, and I'm only going to do one side because it's vice versa on the other. So let's get this knocked out, which I'm going to show y'all on the video. So let's get that taken care of. To show you what we need, you will need tools, jack stands, a jack stand to get them on, or a jack to get them on the jack stands, and now I picked this up from Harbor Freight. Everything I own is from Harbor Freight. The ES10 will be a Harbor Freight rebuilt truck, so I don't mind. Yes, they are cheap, but they get the job done. That's all that matters. So this is the ball joint. My doc something automotive tools ball joint service kit for 2-wheel and 4-wheel drive vehicles. So I'll show you what's inside, and they heavy duty, so they'll get the job done. So there's that. There's that. I guess that's to help push it back in. I don't know. So let's go ahead and get this jacked up. Basically everything. And, well, get it started jacking up. That way we can get the lug nuts off the tire and get them off. So let's do that. Let's loosen them up. Lug nuts on the wheel is a 3/4 socket. There's another metric or standard socket you could use, which they're in here, but since this one's actually fits and don't move or budge, we're going to use this. And a handy dandy breaker bar. It comes with a I'm going to go on the other side and get this other side loosened up off camera. So, be back in 3, 2, 1. I'm back. Hi there, neighbor.
Hey.
I'm video recording.
Huh?
I'm recording. I'm doing YouTube videos.
Oh, okay.
Anyways, found out that this is an all-wheel vehicle. So, but the axles for the front tires are aiming in. What the hell? Who the hell does that? You want a 2-wheel vehicle? Get you a damn 2-wheel vehicle, not take the things out the front. Anyway, come closer and I'll show you what I'm talking about. Let's get these tires off first. I think I pushed start, didn't I? Is it recording? Is it recording? Yeah, it's recording. I guess I could have got my torque wrench. Get these rims all cleaned up. They look like garbage. And there's. Just give it a little force. Force! Say, come here, me. Ah! I'm confused. I really am. I'm confused. I'll show you what. Come here. I want to turn the camera around. This is where the thing came, or for four-wheel drive or whatnot, but that hole ain't got no gears inside. So what will make it an all-wheel drive or four-wheel drive? Do you take this whole box off? I don't know. Tell me in the comments below what y'all think. So that looks like I said. Looks like where, give me a second. I think I can turn it on. There we go. Looks like where you can take this whole thing out and pour the differential in the front. I don't know. I'll have to find out. Because if I could do that, that's going and that's going through a four-wheel drive. So comment down below, down here somewhere. And just let me know. So we're going to get back to these ball joints. So I'm going to turn the camera around one more time and show you the ball joints and what we're going to change out. So the way we can get it done. So this ball joint has to go because, as you can tell, that's pretty ate up. That one down there, I don't think it's bad, but we're gonna make sure. Same with the tie rod ends. I think it's just the upper ball joints, so I think we just get away with the upper ball joints. Let's take these off and see where it's at, if it's better on the yeah. So let's get that taken care of. Real quick, guys, there's a snap ring right here, so you'll have to get that snap ring off and then you should be able to push it through, which I probably won't need that ball joint remover then. Makes it easier, but it never hurts to get that. But I mean, that ball joint kit, service kit, well, you pay 100, 150, 200 maybe at O'Reilly's or AutoZone. We can go to Harbor Freight and pick it up for 40, 60 bucks. And I mean, it's good quality. It's very, very thick. When I use it, if I use it on this, if not, I will make another video of me using it. Don't know when it's be, but I will let y'all know. I'm pretty sure it's thick. So it looks like it's thick cast iron, but it looks like it's going to do the job. So that's probably why they made it so thick. So let's flip the camera. Let's put you on my paw thingy, whatever that thing's called, and get this taken care of. Now I'm recording. I searched for the metrics. They didn't have one. So it's a 15 standard socket. I believe it's standard. Anyways, it's a 15. Just forget what I said. It's a 15 socket. It's standard styling. I think it's standard. Put that on there. Need you for these. I might want to jack it. Let's jack this up because I don't want that to go. I mean, that shock absorber ain't gonna go nowhere. 'Cause, I mean, it is still bolted in, so it's a good thing. So let's get this jack and jack this up, because we don't want that to fall, because that'll hurt. So we got that taken care of. Now we're safe. Well, that's the boat. So we're gonna just tap it. Tap it. We'll just get this thing fork. Take it out. Flathead screwdriver. This one. Where'd it go? Oh, it's way over. I gotta go get it. Now I understand. I never compared. I almost ate it off. Oh my God! Almost got it off. Snap rings off. Man. Oh, it's the hub's good, but you think it would just fall out later? Is this funny? Why am I asking if it's funny? I'm gonna need a people blaster. I'll be right back. I'm gonna go get my good stuff. In the eyeballs! They stink. Oh shit. Don't get this stuff in the eyeballs. Well, come out now. Man, I gotta go back to the back of the truck. Do y'all call these a truck or an SUV? I call it a truck. I don't know why, but this sounds fun, better than I got an SUV. I got me a truck. I mean, really? I'm back. Once again, I'm unprepared, and my sledgehammer ain't in the back. My mini hammer, my mini sledge. So let me go grab my other hammer. So yeah, we're gonna have to use that press. So hope I ain't gonna break that ABS line. So just back in for a minute. I'm going to take these brakes off, these calipers off, and just set them back here. I'm going to have to take this off, and then we can go back to the back and feel for it down there. So let me get this off, and bolt there, should be bolt this here, and should be right off. So yeah, let me get this off real quick. Then I'll get right back to you. I don't know what I was thinking. Alright, never came over. We won't need that. That was easy. Looks like he's been changed out before. There we go. Here's that out. That hurt. Oh. Ow. Maybe I should use the jack. Oh, that's gonna leave loose in the morning. Oh. Oh, sweet mother of pearl. Oh. Ooh. Yay! I think I broke my leg. Oh, that hurt. Let's get everything switched back. That hurt. That hurt bad. I'll be right back with you. So guys, I got my brothers want to run me to the store to Harbor Freight and get snap ring, a tool, so I can remove these snap rings. I ain't got one. I mean, I got the money to get one right now, so let's go get it. So, well, my friends, we went to Harbor Freight. We got what I needed, and we figured we'd take a little ride around to the Auto Zone. There's gonna be a lot of wind because I got the windows down. It's pretty hot. But my brother, thank you, Bubba. So we're heading back to the house now. To work, so I can work on the ball joints again and get those changed out. But we bought a couple other extra things. I shouldn't go in the AutoZone with my brother because I came out with stuff I don't need. Something else I bought for the truck. It wasn't that much, but I guess it's something I got to put with the price. So now the price went up to $11.75 and 99 cents, I guess. I'm roughly estimate. So see y'all when we get back to the house. Peace. All right, so we went to Harbor Freight and got the Iron Precision Snap Ring kit. It's an 8-piece set. So, as soon as my neighbor gets done cutting the yard, we'll go back out there and finish the truck. But I also want to show y'all what I got for the S10. And then my truck, my trailblazer, my SUV. So, let me turn the camera around and I'll show you the 8-piece set, snap ring, pliers, thingies, and then, yeah, we'll get to it. So, let me flip this around. So, we got this, comes with this set, this, this one, this one, this one, that one, that one, and that one. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 things, or 8 snap ring pliers. And this is what I got for the S10. I thought it was pretty cool, so I went and picked it up. She's gonna be a beast, so I had to get me a little beast ship knob. And then this is what I bought for the trailblazer. It's a cigarette lighter. Which looks pretty cool. You just stick it in and boom. So yeah, we'll add that to the truck, the trailblazer, when we get done. So like I said, so once we get done, once my neighbor's done with the grass, we'll go back out there and do the ball joints and get those taken care of. So see you in 3, 2, 1. So neighbor's done. So we're gonna get this snap rings off real quick on this. Go ahead and get this one taken out, and then we'll take care of the thingy, whatever that pitman arm, I guess. No, not pitman arm. Anyways, the other thing in the back. So let's open this tool, our new tools, and get it. Man, I'm gonna have all these kind of cool stuff. And it's icono, icorn. Anyways, yeah. Go with these. This is the, I guess, the 90-degree angle. So we'll get this clip out. It works. It's just shine over there and put grease on my arm. So there's the snap ring. Don't want to put them on the brakes. I'll put it right there. Truck's gonna go more. So let's get that taken care of first. All right. It's starting to move. About time. Yeah, it looks like that was brand new. Oh well. Best to change them out. Change one, change them all. Well, you know. So guys, since that's in or out, we'll go ahead and replace this one. Somebody did it with Rock Auto parts too. But the good thing with Rock Auto, this is already filled. So as you see, it ain't got no filling tube like that one. It's pre-lubed. We'll get it started and then we'll get it resuscitated. This is taking forever. That's what it. Well, there's a. My knuckle up. This is getting on my nerves because for some reason I don't want to go in there straight. So I cleaned it up a little bit after busting my knuckle. So let's try it one more time. If not, I'm going to let it. My brother tackle it for a minute. Can we just go in from the top? It'd be a lot more easier. Why don't you use a smaller ratchet? Because this is the strong arm, so. But it's working. It's going up in there now. That's straight. So, it's going in there straight now. So let's get this taken care of and then we'll get back to that upper ball joint. Yeah, I bottomed out. That's all it was. I just bottomed out. So when we go to do the other side now, we know how to do it. It's all a big learning process. So let's go back here. So let's get this other bolt one off. Which I don't know if y'all seen it earlier where it's at. It's on the control arm. So it's right there. So I gotta get that ring off. Oh, that's right, I already got it off. So all I gotta do is push it through. Which goes that way. So let's get that taken care of. Give me a second, guys. So here's the new upper control arm. Ball. Ow! Really? I'm trying to fix you. And you hit me in the head. Ooh. How dare you? Well, guys, had a little fight with it, but she finally went in. So I'm going to go ahead and take this snap ring and go ahead and put it on. if I can find my snap ring tool. Alright, I found it. So we're going to go ahead and put our snap ring on. I guess the good thing about these snap rings is you got it twists as you open it up. So you got to kind of cock it and then squeeze it around. So we'll do that. Actually, I'll pull you out here and let y'all see me do it. I can't tell if y'all can see that or not. You see it. Alright. Snap ring. Clean the dirt up.
Hey, be careful too.
And that's it. So snap ring's on there now. So that ain't going nowhere. So we can put the boot back on. Get this over to the all that other stuff and start the assembler back. I'll meet y'all over. Well, this thing is heavy, so y'all be careful. Oh snap, I forgot the... So, it's gonna be heavy. So that's on. Damn neighbors. Always beating on shit. Can't get no freaking sleep around there. I don't think I'm gonna do the tie rods. The tie rods are pretty decent. So we're just gonna put it back up in there. Put it back on. Be done with it. Oh yeah. Now don't forget to hook everything back up. you're putting your brake pads back on, don't touch the brakes. And make sure there ain't no grease. And just do that. Just brake cleaner. Made for brakes. Cleans right up. So now we're good. So that's all back together. So that's all back on. So now we can put shit back on. Or, excuse my language. Put our tire back on. Oh yeah. And she don't move now. So let's put the tire back on this side and we'll go to the other side. So, you know, I believe y'all know how to put some tires on. So, thanks for tuning in on this episode of Minton Trucker's Garage, where we do stuff backwards. As you see, we had some problems, but it's a learning process. We got it taken care of. If I can do it, anybody can do it. So, get to work, get to turning those wrenches and breaking stuff and all that kind of stuff. See you on the next video.